Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to create a YouTube channel. You can create your YouTube channel through your YouTube website or YouTube app. Today I will show you create a YouTube channel through YouTube app. That's why here I open my YouTube app, then select bottom right button, profile button. At the top here I can see my Google account name, and then create a channel option. I select create a channel option. Here I can see some option: YouTube channel name, YouTube handle name, and here I can also add my YouTube channel profile picture. So click profile picture option. Here I have two options, camera and gallery. I chose camera and take my photo and upload it as my profile picture. And second option is YouTube channel name. Here I go to the edit option and write my YouTube channel name, Nomadic Bangladeshi, and then save. And here I also have to change my YouTube handle name. I select edit option and then I write here what I want as my YouTube handle name and then save. And bottom here I have create a channel option. I select create channel. So my YouTube channel is complete. Here I can see view channel option, and I can see create button. This one, create button. Here I can upload create short videos, upload a full video, go live option, create a post. Later I will upload this video here. And top I can see edit option. If I go there, here I can upload YouTube cover photo, my channel cover photo. I just take, or you can upload your before taken picture. And name, handle name, you can change here, copy your URL and add your YouTube channel description here. What about your channel is? This is how you can create your own YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you in next videos.